Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to hide flashing on taskbar apps. Very simple and basic way guys to do this one. Right click anywhere, show more option or click on personalize. Here click on taskbar. Here you click on taskbar behavior. Here the option show flashing on taskbar apps. So guys, if you need, so just turn off this setting. If you need to disable, so uncheck this box. So this is the simple setting and simple way to hide flashing on taskbar apps. Thanks for watching.